Hello guys, for today's video, I would like to share a little technique in sketching. Now, do remember that different artists have their own techniques. Let's start with circle. It's fine if it's a bit crooked, just giving you an outline for the face you're going to draw. Now, add a line in between the circle, and make a simple outline of the face. It is only temporary to give you heads up, and you can adjust them later to whatever shape that feels your preference. Then put a mark where you will put the eyes, the nose, and the lips. Now then, let's start with the eyes. Simply draw a simple eye shape. As we add more details, you will soon see the difference. Add more convincing details to make her features stand out. After drawing her eyelashes, let's follow with the pupils and the iris. And finally, the eyebrows. Add more details to enhance the look. After drawing the eyes, let's draw the nose. What I usually do is simply draw a delicate curve as her nose and give it highlights to make it stand out. Now the lips. Let's start with the bottom lip. And her upper lip. Make it look plump and add small details to give it life. Now, let's draw more features like her ears. And her hair. Draw her hair gently and delicately to make it look soft. Then let's add more shading to make it even more realistic. Remember that in art, even the smallest detail is important. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.